Zariel Macchia, a track and field standout from William Floyd High School, is currently embroiled in a legal battle with the New York State Public High School Athletic Association, NYSPHSAA, after being declared ineligible to compete in the upcoming state indoor track and field championships. The controversy centers around a decision made by the NYSPHSAA on February 18th, which ruled Zariel ineligible due to an alleged violation of the association's college rule, Rule 7. This rule prohibits high school athletes from engaging in any practice or competition with, or against individuals or teams representing colleges during a sports season. Zariel, a senior who has made an indelible mark in high school track and field, was set to compete in both the 1,000-meter and 3,000-meter races at the championships. She is the reigning state champion in the 1,000 meters, a title she had hoped to defend this weekend on Staten Island. Her exceptional talent has earned her national recognition, including a commitment to run for Brigham Young University, BYU, and she has been widely regarded as a potential Olympic hopeful in the future. However, the NYSPHSAA contends that Zariel violated the college rule by participating in the Boston University David Hemery Valentine Invitational, an event where college-level runners also compete. The association argues that despite Zariel not being formally attached to any school team at the time, her participation in the event, which included college athletes, violated the rule's provisions. In response to this ruling, Zariel's father, Peter Macchia, filed a lawsuit in an effort to reverse the decision. The lawsuit, filed on Tuesday, requests a temporary restraining order to allow Zariel to compete in the upcoming championships. In a phone interview, Peter Macchia expressed frustration with the situation, stating that the family was unaware of the strict enforcement of the college rule and had been advised that competing unattached, without representing her school team, would avoid any eligibility issues. He emphasized that Zariel has been competing against and often defeating professional and college athletes for years, with the understanding that as long as she did not represent a college team, there would be no conflict with the rule. The legal proceedings continued on Wednesday, with Zariel and her father appearing in court in Riverhead, where they argued their case. Peter Macchia reiterated that they were not informed about the specific limitations of the college rule, and the family's legal team has questioned the fairness and application of the rule in this context. They argue that the NYSPHSAA's decision, if upheld, would cause irreparable harm to Zariel's athletic career and her opportunity to defend her state title. Zariel's case has drawn attention, with the family hoping that the lawsuit not only allows Zariel to compete, but also creates a broader awareness of the issue and potentially leads to changes in the rules that govern high school athletics. While Zariel's family is focused on getting her reinstated for the championships, they have expressed a desire for lasting change. Their hope is that the lawsuit will help establish an appeals process for student athletes who find themselves in similar situations, preventing other athletes from being blindsided by rules they were unaware of. The Macchias are also advocating for a more transparent communication process regarding eligibility rules to avoid such conflicts in the future. Zariel Macchia, who's already earned 6 state championships and holds 7 Long Island track records, is a well-established star in the high school track and field scene. Her athletic achievements include being named the Gatorade New York Girls Cross Country Player of the Year and competing for Team USA's Under 20 squad. Her remarkable career has raised her profile as a top-tier athlete, and many believe she could be on track for a professional career in athletics. As the case progresses, the family is looking to a final decision from Judge Christopher Modeluski, who will review further witness testimony on Thursday before making his ruling. The NYSPHSAA, however, maintains that the family was aware of the rule, with Tom Combs, the executive director of Suffolk County's governing body of interscholastic sports, affirming that the parents had been made aware of the regulation. In interviews, Combs has expressed satisfaction that the judge will hear additional witness testimony that could corroborate the NYSPHSAA's position. As the legal proceedings unfold, Zariel's future in the state championships hangs in the balance, but the broader implications of this case may lead to meaningful changes in the way high school athletics rules are enforced and communicated. The Macchia family hopes their efforts will pave the way for greater clarity and fairness in eligibility decisions, ensuring that no other student athlete faces a similar predicament in the future.